Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Chris, and with my wife Amanda and myself, we are Type 1 Detour. We travel full-time in our RV with our two daughters. And today, we're going on a little road trip. It's not too far, but taking the girls on a little adventure, something that they love to do. So make sure you stick around, see where we're going and what we get into today. All right, if you know anything about taking a road trip or doing any type of day thing in the state of Florida, there's kind of like a unwritten rule. It may even actually be a written rule, but if you are going somewhere for the day and you are in Florida, you have to go get a pub sub. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm picking up public subs. When you're here long enough, call it a pub sub. If you don't know about it, learn about it. So a Publix pro tip, order online, because if you go anywhere around lunchtime or even early in the morning, you're going to be standing in a huge line. So do yourself a favor, order online, you walk right in, walk right out. Now let's get in the truck and let's get started on this hour drive. Today, where's this special place we brought the girls?
Bonnet Springs Park in Lakeland. This thing is massive. It's like a park, playground, fitness trail, boardwalk, nature trail, all museum, welcome center, nature center, all in one. It is amazing.
And we came here, what, about a year ago?
Came here last year.
Go to the Children's Museum?
Yes, to the Children's Museum. I think this park has probably been open maybe a little over a year. It's very nice, clean, looks new. Last year we went to the Florida Children's Museum that's on site here. And before we went in, we let the kids play on one of the playgrounds just for a little bit, and then they wanted to play some more, and we were like, well, we came for the museum, so next time we'll come back. So a year later, we came back, and this time we're not doing the museum. We're just gonna spend all day here at the park. There is so much to do. There's probably at least 10 different playgrounds, activities for the kids, like I said, a nature center, boardwalks, a canopy walk, which we are standing on right now, and it's a beautiful day outside, not too hot, not too cold, sunny. It's just beautiful. So we are spending the day here at Bonnet Springs Park.
All right, but the entrance, kind of where we parked, is by the canopy walk here, but the girls are definitely going to want to go to playgrounds first, so that's what we're going to do. We're going to go to playgrounds first, and then we'll get to this canopy walk. Probably one of the last things we do, since it does look kind of shaded in this area. So let's let the girls go have fun on this special day for them.
Whoa! There was a lot of penguins, Mommy.
16, 17.
I don't think that's a slide. I'm starting with half of my lunch while the girls are playing. I'm gonna try to get some work done, eat some lunch, and let them play. Kind of looks like Honey, I Shrunk the Kids. Stream.
Yeah. Looks just like a rainforest.
Mm-hmm.
Shades. There's definitely some animals down there.
Some of your kids watch Lego Ninjago without telling me, because that's all they think this is something from Ninjago. I personally didn't realize that this was like a nature walk and just beautiful, like old Florida nature. I thought it was just a bunch of playgrounds around here, but this place just for kind of going on a nature hike is pretty impressive.
Hummingbird?
Hummingbird, your guess? Let's find out. Oh
Owl. Screech owl? Owl. Yay, owl. I
no!
win.
Owl sound. Come listen.
Seagull.
Bald eagle, a vulture, or a wood duck?
Vulture.
I'm going wood duck.
Wood duck.
Mother duck.
Yeah, I'm going duck also on that one.
Mother duck.
Oh,
Oh, and he
those weird birds.
Those are the ones that leave with spoons out.
Yeah. What do you think of that visitor center in
It
there?
was really cool. There was like a butterfly habitat where butterflies were hatching, and there were some fish too.
What was your favorite? The butterfly?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, what was your favorite thing?
Butterfly.
What?
Butterfly.
You like the butterfly too? I didn't even see you look at the butterfly. What about you?
I just enjoyed all the fun facts and pressing the buttons to hear different sounds and learning about animals out here in nature.
Can we like, what's that? With like elephant in the room? What's that phrase?
Address.
Can we address the elephant in the room and what is on your hat?
Osprey. Osprey. Osprey.
I'm trying. See it flying?
Wow, that was a big guy.
Here.
You hear it?
This sound the same as the
That was
thing.
massive. Is it a bald eagle flying above it? Okay, so
What's the
as you were causing a distraction, what is this? What are you wearing?
Does it look bad on me?
No,
I'm
you
wearing
just
my 8-year-old sun hat
you
because
look
she
like
didn't want to wear it
the
at the playground.
dressed up
so
granny from Bluey. But you look beautiful.
I'm not getting sunburned, so that's all that matters.
Now I think we are looking for the butterfly house. I'm not a big fan of butterflies. I don't know. I think they're just like pesky, kind of annoying. I don't know. I don't like butterflies, but girls love them. So let's go see if we can go inside this butterfly house. I think that we can. Oh yeah, we can. Do you like butterflies?
But don't touch. They're beautiful. They're just unpredictable. That's what I don't care for. They're just will land on you whenever they please.
Are they like flies and like they poop on you every time they land on you? Is that true? No?
I'm a butterfly expert.
Who's the first one that's going to scream? I'm going to say it's Amanda. Amanda's definitely going to be the first one to scream. Okay, one door at a time. Go ahead. Bye, butterflies. So what's our plan now? What are we doing?
Now we're going to hop on the tram, and it's going to take us around the entire park, and we're going to find a nice shady spot to have a picnic lunch.
Sound good to you? Lunch is done. Hopefully I don't have any mayo or oil and vinegar on my face. Probably. Whatever. Lunch is done. I'm done, but we still have like 7 more playgrounds and a canopy walk and a boardwalk. Each one of these things is like a mile long. I didn't realize I was like hiking a national park here, but this place is pretty cool. So we'll continue on. Treehouse. How cool this is. I'm even going in here. Every kid's dream, right? So that was the most overhyped thing ever. I thought it was like a treehouse playground or something, right, yeah. And it's just
it's super cute, cool.
It's a place to eat lunch. That's it.
Should have ate lunch here if I would have known it was.
Yeah, we did too.
It's pretty cool.
Yeah.
It's a house built up in the trees.
We'll keep moving though. We'll go walk the mile boardwalk over to the canopy walk. Now we are walking on the lagoon boardwalk. I don't know what the length is of this, but I believe it's at about a mile. For turtles, fish, alligators, birds, ducks, snakes. Spotted a turtle right there. We're almost to the canopy walk. You can see the canopy walk right above Amanda's head right there, but we have to walk up this path still a little bit more to get to the entrance to it. All right, here we are on the canopy walk now. Oh, there goes a butterfly. Break time. Oh, now we're higher than the airplanes. Now you can see like the top of the airplanes. Look at these annoying like content creators. Like, hello, be in the moment. Stop filming everything you do. My gosh, so annoying. You gonna turn into Spider Woman now?
Spider-Man, Spider-Man.
Parkour, parkour.
That's something. Hi, I flew.
Canopy walk was pretty cool, right? Yeah. There's some cool viewing spots there. I would recommend it. I mean, if you're here, you might as well do it anyway because you're already walking 27 miles. So, what's another half a mile? Now, we're all the way back to where we ate lunch. This place just it's like one bad dream. It just all keeps coming back to the same place. All right, we're done. How long did you just say this was that we were here?
5 hours.
5 hours. And we didn't even do like everything. That's just like how much stuff there is here to do. So we were here for 5 hours. We ate lunch. We're all exhausted, tired. You have to come prepared. So I would say my tips for this place are come here, especially if you're coming from the Orlando area, like we did. Come like for the day, bring lunches, bring snacks, bring enough water. You're going to be hiking, basically, like not nature trails. They're more, it's just it's a lot of walking, several miles for sure.
Yeah.
Playgrounds, so there's plenty of benches. They do have
Sunscreen.
definitely sunscreen. They have bathrooms here, so you're good. Just bring enough food, snacks, and water. And there is a trolley tram that you saw us riding, so that's kind of cool. You can quickly take it back to like your truck or your vehicle to refill, take a little break. But we're done. We are heading back. We got an hour drive back, but could be 7 hours because we have to go on I-4. And if you've watched a few episodes ago, you know my opinion on I-4. But here we are again, those idiots that are going on I-4 during rush hour. So.
Yep. Whoops.
Let's just go home. All right, guys, we have made it home. We had a long drive back. We didn't hit too much traffic, but thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed our time at the Bonnet Springs Playground / Nature Park. How about we call it Nature's Playground? If you are ever in the Lakeland area, anywhere within 45 minutes to Lakeland, highly recommend it. But if you are not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We are releasing these daily-ish vlogs every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. So hit the subscribe button, hit the thumbs up, comment down below what area in the world you were at that you were watching this video, and we'll see you on the next one.